Well, it took me 3 hours, but I got all the exhaust off. So what you can see is headers. That's it. They end right there. Everything else I gutted. 35-year-old bolts are not easy to remove. So that being said, it was worth it because it sounds amazing. Hold on to your potatoes.
6.9 on the Richter scale.